change the format of the date, and this is what the format I use. This is the column that I extract at, so that later when we generate the pivot table it will be more easier. And I will show how to generate this column. We must type the symbol of equal so that later the function will generate. And also don't forget to put a bracket behind. To accelerate this process, we are going to drag the column down, copy the date at the date column and paste into the column of day. You can border it. And this step is also same as before. These are the 10 additional orders I add. Change the name as XYZ company. And this basically is the work that I done. So how I done it? Firstly, let's move to the sheet before. Click any area, click insert and insert the pivot table. Drag this field and it depends on what table you want to do. We can also change the format of the number. Right click, choose currency and choose MYR. Click the pivot chart and I choose recommended chart so that it will automatically help me to choose the best one. You can choose any chart you prefer. Repeat these few steps to proceed with next pivot table and chart. I will delete this few as I think they are not really necessary for me. And sure, we can change the title of the chart. And I put number of units sold. And we can change the width of the bar. We can sort it so that it will arrange accordingly and it will look more neat. This is the pivot chart of cost of single unit sold. This is the pivot chart of total sales. We can also put a percentage area by right click on your mouse. And this is the sales by sales representative. Just drag the field you want into the row and column so that it will automatically generate the data. So let me change the label as sales representative. And also the sum change to total sales. I will change to number of order. Now when we sum this up, then we will realize that it is 53 totally. And refer back to the first sheet. And the order is exactly same as this sheet. Now let's move to the next step. I'm going to create a dashboard to include all of the pivot chart and table. Use the Ctrl+C, click to copy the pivot chart and paste in this area. Copy all the pivot chart and paste in this dashboard. Click Insert, Slicer, and choose the slicer that you want to generate. For example, I choose Region and Sales and Representative slicer. When we use this slicer, all the data will be shown very easily and clear. For example, if you want to look at the sales by its region, then you can just click East, then it will automatically generate the data in its region. And this is the completed region that I did. The slicer really easy to use and it is really effective. And the data in the previous sheet will also show as what you click in the slicer. For example, East, then the previous sheet will show the data in East. That's all from me.